Hi everyone, I am very happy to stand here and present to you about the topic of our study today. And we are Gr9. Our group consists of 4 members. And in this presentation, we will talk about the frameworks. Frameworks in the context of software development of rebuilt reusable setup library tools and conventions that provide a structured way to build and develop applications. They aim to simplify and expedite the development process by offering a foundation that developers can build upon. Frameworks often include predefined functions, structures, and design patterns, allowing developers to focus more on application-specific logics rather than dealing with low-level details. One popular framework is Django, which is a high-level Python web framework. Let's delve deep into Django, overview and purpose of Django. Okay, purpose. Django is designed to help developers build web applications quickly and with minimal code. If follow the don't build yourself, the always principle emphasizing the importance of writing the usable code to avoid redundancy. And the second key feature of Django include the first object relational mapping, the second MVC architecture, the third admin interface, and the last URL routine. And next we'll listening to his presentation to talk about the convention over configuration.
So after my friend presentation, I will give you more information about the Django key features and the convention over configuration. First is the key features. There are four main parts. The first is object relational mapping. The Django provides an ORM system that allows you to define your data models in Python, and it automatically generates the data schema as well as provides an abstraction for database queries. Admin interface. Django includes a built-in administrative interface that allows developers to manage the application's data models through a web interface without having to write custom admin panels. For URL routing, Django uses a URL routing system that maps URLs to view, allowing for clean and modular URL patterns. For the MVC architecture, Django follows the MVC architectural pattern, where the models present the data structure, views handle user interface and presentation logic, and controllers manage user input and application flow. So next is the convention over configuration. Django follows the principle of convention over configuration, meaning that it comes with sensible defaults and conventions that minimize the needs for explicit configuration. This accelerates development by reducing boilerplate code.
And now I will talk about the scalability of the Django framework. Scalability is one of the key concerns that you should take into account when you are planning to build a new application. Your application might start off small, but with time it might grow larger, and you definitely want to avoid any kind of rewrite. Because of this, it is important to pick a framework that is easy to get going with, but that is also easy to scale. Django can meet larger Verilog access needs, making it suitable for giant web apps such as Dropbox, Mozilla, YouTube. Django allows users to expand its project, such as running other machines, separate servers on the same database. However, scalability is often missed a requirement. These problems are caused by underlying design issues that are hard to solve when the whole framework has been built. That's why you should care about scalability by design to set the right structure from the beginning. Some advantage of the Django framework securities like establish an overarching security vision and strategy, identify and assess security vulnerability, gap, and risk, provide a common vocabulary for discussing security issues, both internally and externally, and also evaluate security solution vendor and service provider. Django incorporates various security features by default, such as protection against common web vulnerabilities like SQL injection and cross-site scripting. This focus on security helps developers build robust and secure applications. Its versatility and scalability make it sustainable for projects of varying size and complexity.
In conclusions, by now you should know Django is just a popular framework organizations use for building web applications quickly and smoothly. The key strengths Django bring to the table are accelerating the development process with the rich selections of ready-made components and the incredible dedications of its community. Django do have some disadvantages, like slow speed, not suitable for small projects and only work for big projects, take a lot of time of coding, and lack of conventions. Yes, still, it is a really good open source web framework to use and work with. And that is the end of our presentations. Thank you for listening to our presentations. Hope after this you will know more about Django. If you got any question, you can ask us anytime.